Ready? Ah! So today we're reviewing BeadFix Tape. This has been something that you've probably seen already. It's all over the internet at the moment, and it's basically duct tape with holes in it for beads.
Yeah.
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 It's basically what it is. It's obviously
It's a polycloth tape.
yeah, it's a polycloth tape according to the information we've got. It's basically for sticking thin coat beads onto a surface review, because we wanted to really give it a test. I know we could have just quickly done a post. I mean, I did do a post about it. I did a little review on their page, but I wanted to test it out properly, because at first it's like, I mean, it works.
Yeah.
You could, let's say you're using it on board. It definitely works to stick beads.
But I wouldn't use it on board.
But you wouldn't want to use it on board because...
That's what nails are for. Nails are always going to be your go-to.
Yeah.
Until nails can't be used on that certain situations.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's just one of those things that it's like it's trying to reinvent the wheel, but it's not going to. It's never going to be the go-to bead fixing method.
Yeah.
I don't think. We've tried it out on a few different types of beads.
We've tried doing it on them all, really.
We've tried it on the mesh beads.
Yeah.
It was horrible on there.
Yeah.
It did not work at all. I mean, I've seen on the website that they do say that you can use it on them, but we tried it. Don't use it on them.
No.
Also, if you're going to use it on PVA, the PVA really has to be dry.
Yeah, either dry or put that on first and then PVA over it.
So, but then if you're doing that, you have to make sure that the surface is not like dusty, or sometimes I mean, we've done it over blue grit, which worked okay, but it wasn't as good, because blue grit gives it like a coarse surface, and this really needs something flat to stick to.
Yeah, it is. It's like any tape. Yeah. Really, like duct tape, masking tape. They all need like certain surfaces to stick to.
Yeah, some surfaces just don't agree with it.
Some stick to it better than others, but
the problem with this is the thing that it sticks to best, I think, is board. Yeah. But you would never use this over beads unless you've got like a. Let's say there's an angle where you can't really get a fix in, but that is so rare. And some people use staples. Yeah, exactly. So if you're going to use staples, you're probably better off with them. But the circumstances where, and the reason we would recommend everybody gets at least a roll of this for the van, is because there's every now and again
you get them angles.
Yeah, the angles where you put a nail in it. It smashes off, and there's no bead underneath. It's just a hard angle.
Like a solid concrete angle.
Yeah, like an external angle that you just cannot get a fixing on, and nails will just crack it.
Most people then have to stick them on, or
some people use like dotting, or you'll use a bit of skim, mix a bit of skim up.
Anything, but this is where this comes in, because it is good to have.
Yeah, in the times when you actually need this, it's actually great. Like, I've not used anything as good as this for solving those problems. Like, this is a really quick solution. Yeah. And it's come to the rescue a few times for us, where we would have otherwise had to PVA up the whole angle, make some stuff up, put it on, stick the beads on, wait till it went, pulled in a bit before we could skim it. Whereas we've just been able to stick the beads on with this. And for those reasons, I think this stuff is worth having. So it's $12.99.
$12.99.
Free shipping, but $12.99 per roll. So it's £13 for what is essentially a roll of duct tape. That is an expensive roll of tape.
But you can't use duct tape in the same way.
It
is good for what it is. It's good to have on the van, because you're not going to be using ridiculous amounts of it.
No, and for the amount that it costs, I think that it's probably going to be worth having on the van. It's going to save you the hassle, and it's worth £13. I mean, we've been using this for a couple of months, and we've had it in the van a couple of months. We've used it maybe 4 times.
4 times that we've actually needed to use it.
Yeah, we've tried it out in a few different situations, but we've used it maybe 4 times. We've got about half the roll left, which is...
No, we've used... No, yeah.
Yeah, like there's a... Look at... I mean, there's quite a significant amount left on there. So they come off in these little segments.
It literally peels off, and that is exactly what it is.
Yeah, sticky on the back. And it's got the orange sort of front to it.
Yeah, it's super sticky. I mean, it literally will stick.
Yeah, and it's quite hard to get off.
Yeah, look.
So it's quite... The adhesive on it is really good. It's strong. But like I said, it depends on the surface. I definitely think that this stuff is good, but I don't know whether it's definitely not, it's not revolutionary unless you need it.
Yeah, for certain.
Yeah. And it's one of those things where it's like, it's not very useful until it is, and then it's super useful.
It says surfaces must be dry and dust free.
Yeah, which I mean,
if you're true because we've tried it on a dusty surface, does not stick. We've tried it on top of PVA, does not stick.
Yeah, blue grit. I mean, that is dry, but it's not dust.
It's weird,
it's got grit on it, so it's not like free of debris, you would say, is it?
Yeah.
But yeah, so if you don't have a roll of bead tape, probably get yourself a roll. It's only 13 quid. And for that, it's going to pull you out of the shit. If you work on site, do not buy this.
No, it's not for site plastering.
Yeah, you do not.
It is for angles that, like we said, crack off.
Yeah, you don't need this at all. It's a for domestic plasterers or people who work often with like
you can try it on boards, but
it'd just be way more expensive.
Yeah, we have tried it. It's not worth it for boards. Yeah, nails and staples both do better jobs.
So yeah, I think it's worth having on the van. We'll give it a 3.5 golden trowels. I'm gonna have to make them pop up here.
Yeah.
3.5 golden trowels.
Out of 5.
Out of 5. BeadFix Tape. Go get yourself a roll.
The website is beadfix.co.uk.
Yeah, beadfix.co.uk. Order a roll, get it in your van, and if you ever need it, it's there. But apart from that, stick with your good old clout nails. If it's not broken, don't fix it.
That's it.
That's what I'd say. Anyway.
If it works, it works.
That's it.
Get your business fanned with Biz Plus. We do everything from website and graphic design to marketing services, including search engine optimization, Google and Facebook ads. We're a 5-star rated company featured as excellent on Trustpilot with over 50 happy customers. Click the link below to book in a free call to see if we would be a good fit for you. Biz Plus, putting the plus in your business.
How do you test how sticky something is? You stick it to your face and you rip it off.
I'm not sticking it to my face.
You're sticking it to your face.
Where?
I'll stick it to mine. I'll stick it to my face and my beard, and you can pull it off.
You're not pulling. No, my beard.
No, you can do it to my face.
You're not doing it to my beard.
But you can do it to mine.
I'm not doing it to yours.
Why?
No, because then you'll want to do it to mine.
Yeah. You should let me do it to yours. This could be a terrible idea.
No, pat it down. Like, really?
Yeah. Ah! That's got loads of hairs in it. Oh! There's proof, the adhesive works. It's your turn. You can feel it when you first take the corner off. You're like, this is not going to be good.
Oh.
Should we do it? Ah! I don't want to. It's like a waxing strip.
Go on.
No, I don't want to.
Just do it.
Oh my god, I can't. It's too much hair. Oh my god.
Do it. Just pull. Just ready.
Oh my god. I don't want to like half do it. Oh. This stuff is too sticky. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. This is a terrible idea.
Do it.
Ready? You got it. Ready?
Ah!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is the hairiest piece of tape I've ever seen. Oh, that is sick. Gross, throw that away. Well, at least, thank God it didn't do that to my face.
Can you imagine?
Jesus.
It proper gripped to mine.
What? That was intense. I thought I thought it'd just be hilarious, like a funny little thing. I didn't think it'd actually stick. Yeah, bead tape adhesive is good.
Yeah, if you want to play some pranks on people, just get that.
Oh, God, that is funny. Well, at least you know it sticks.
Sticks, yeah, I know it sticks.
Yeah, well... Oh, sorry about that.
No,
Stupid idea.
No, you're not.
Stupid idea.
Can't believe you started the camera back up purely for that.
Oh, let's put that away.
Yeah,
sorry.
Throw it in the bin.